Welcome to my channel. I am excited that you are here with me today. Today, I wanted to talk about how to speak concisely. So, oftentimes, you may find yourself in interactions where you feel uncomfortable or you feel pressure, or maybe it is just in your day to day, and you notice that you have a tendency to share a lot more, speak a lot. Maybe you ramble, maybe you get distracted, maybe you go off on tangents, maybe in moments where you feel uncomfortable, you just feel like you just talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. Or it's possible that just in your interactions, maybe somebody has mentioned to you at some point, could you just get to the point already? And so today, I want to talk just a little bit about how to speak more concisely. So, what we want to do with our language is pare it down. And we want to do this so that it's easier for the other person to hear what it is that we have to say. It's easier for the other person to hear what it is that we want them to hear. Oftentimes, if we say too much, we say things that will distract the other person, and it's really difficult for them then to pay attention in the way that we're hoping that they will. So, to be concise with your language, you first really want to know what is necessary and what is not necessary to say. And the way to know this is to understand if what it is that you are saying is helpful or not. So it really requires you to slow down and pay attention to the language that you're using. And to know that if you are going to say too much, it's likely going to make things more difficult for the other person. So that's not helpful. And so in the moments where you notice that you're talking too much, that's the beautiful moment, because that's the moment where you get to say, okay, I'm saying too much. I can see that the person that I'm connecting with is not here with me. I'm just going to stop in the moment and I'm going to say, that was a lot of information that I just gave. That was too much. So I'm just going to start again. Or you're just going to notice it, stop talking, and allow the other person to engage, right? So the way to really start to become concise with your language is start to notice when you are not being concise, when you are talking too much, when you are saying too many things. And the moment that you notice that you are saying too many things, ta-da, there's your beautiful moment. There's the ding, ding, ding moment to be able to say, okay, I've gone too far here. I'm gonna bring it back. All right, hope this was helpful for you today for this communication practice. And if you are liking this content, go ahead and subscribe. Just click below and you can check out more videos from me.